Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Unlike deactivation, deletion is permanent. Once you delete your account, all your photos, videos, messages, and profile details will be removed and cannot be recovered. So make sure you really want to delete your account before continuing. Let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, tap on the profile option at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Account Center. Now, tap on Personal Details. Next, choose Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select the account you want to remove, then tap on Delete Account. After that, tap on Continue. Instagram will show you one more confirmation screen. Tap Continue again to complete the deletion process. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Instagram account. Remember, this process is permanent, so once deleted, you won't be able to recover your profile or content. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and step-by-step guides.